हाय गाइस, मानस क्लासरूम में आपका स्वागत है। तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं कोविड-19 आउटब्रेक। तो पिछले वीडियो में हमने टिश्यू पढ़ा था, वो कंप्लीट हो गया था। तो आज मैंने बहुत मेहनत से ये पीपीटी बनाई है कोविड-19 आउटब्रेक के बारे में। तो आज हम यही पढ़ेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे कैजुअल ऑर्गेनिज्म, मतलब कोविड जो कोरोना है ये अपने आप में क्या है। देखिए, coronavirus have been making people cough and sneeze for eons. They are among the many viruses that cause the common cold, but not all are so mild-mannered. A few severe types can lead to serious illness and deaths. Coronavirus get their name from their shape. These round viruses are surrounded by a halo of spiky proteins that makes them look a bit like a crown or the corona of the sun. In fact, being termed a coronavirus is less about the genetics and more about the way it appears under a microscope, explains Britsi Scatterfield. He is the founder and the chief scientific officer of Co-Diagnosis. It's a company based in Salt Lake City, Utth and in Gujarat, India. It is developing new tests to diagnose coronavirus infections. तो हमने देख लिया कैजुअल ऑर्गेनिज्म के बारे में। अब हम देखते हैं ओरिजिन। अब ये चालू कैसे हुआ। Coronaviruses are found in a diverse array of bat and bird species, which are believed to act as natural hosts. Molecular clock dating analysis of coronavirus suggests that the most recent common ancestor of these viruses exists around 10,000 years ago. This relatively young age is in sharp contrast to the ancient evolutionary history of their putative natural host, which began diversifying tens of millions of years ago. Here we attempt to resolve this discrepancy by applying more realistic evolutionary models that have previously relevanted the ancient evolutionary history of other RNA viruses by explicitly modeling variation in the strength of natural selection over time and thereby improving the modeling of substitution saturation. We found that the time to the most recent ancestor common for all coronavirus is likely far greater than the previous inferred range. अब हम बायोलॉजिकल स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं कोरोना वायरस का। देख सकते हैं न्यूक्लियोकैप्स्ड प्रोटीन, एनवेलप ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन, आरएनए, स्पाइक प्रोटीन, मेम्ब्रेन ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन एंड लिपिड बिल्डर। ये आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डायग्राम है। अब देखते हैं मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन। ये कोरोना वायरस फैलता कैसे है। इन जनरल रेस्पिरेटरी वायरस इन्फेक्शन कैन अकर थ्रू फर्स्ट कॉन्टैक्ट, direct or indirect. Second, droplet spray in short range transmission. Third, aerosol in long range transmission, airborne transmission. अब हम देखते हैं इसके सिम्टम्स may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure to virus. People with these symptoms may have COVID-19. Fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, fatigue, muscle or bone aches, headache, new loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, nausea or vomiting और डायरिया। ये थे सिम्टम्स। अब देखते हैं इसका ट्रीटमेंट। मोस्ट पीपल हु केम इल with COVID-19 will be able to recover at home. No specific treatments for COVID-19 exist right now, but some of the same things. Do you feel better if you have the flu? Getting enough rest, staying well hydrated and taking medications to relieve fever and aches and pains also help with COVID-19. In the meantime, scientists are working hard to develop effective treatments, therapies that are under investigation include drugs that have been used to treat malaria and autoimmune diseases, antiviral drugs that were developed for other viruses, and antibodies for people who have recovered from COVID-19. अब डूज और डोंट्स देखते हैं जो हमें करना चाहिए और नहीं करना चाहिए। डूज, हमें क्या क्या करना चाहिए? हैंड वॉश, कवर योर माउथ एंड नोज, कंसल्ट अ डॉक्टर इफ सिक एंड स्टे इंडोर्स। डोंट्स, अवॉइड क्लोज कॉन्टैक्ट विद एनीवन, डू नॉट स्प्लिट, avoid using public transport, do not use over the counter medicines, don't panic, take it easy, don't touch your face। अब हम देखते हैं लाइफ आफ्टर कोविड-19 एरा। Life after lockdowns, reviving the economy like other countries, India is also seeing to steer a judicious path between the need to insulate the population and to revive the economic engine. The rigorous national lockdown has succeeded in slowing the spread of the virus, and the current thinking of the government is to open the country for business in a careful, calibrated manner, focusing on reviving sectors like agriculture, manufacturing and services while isolating geographical hotspots and vulnerable groups. The most compelling requirement for reviving the economy is to effectively manage the emergence from the lockdown, ensuring the supply chains are reopened, the manufacturing and service enterprises are free to operate while ensuring basic health hygiene. Thank you. तो आज की वीडियो में हमने कोविड-19 के बारे में बहुत कुछ पढ़ा। आप इसके नोट्स भी बना सकते हैं, सबका स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हैं वीडियो रिवाइंड करके। उम्मीद है वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो। तो आज के लिए बाय।